So we've got a spinner here with bias. It's been spun 40 times and the results are shown. It's going to be spun another 2 times and we've been asked to estimate the probability that Lena gets a 5 both times. Okay, so what's the probability of getting a 5 the first time? Well, the probability of getting a 5 will be the resultant number over the total. The probability of getting a 5 is equal to 10 over the total number of spins, which is 40. So this is equal to a quarter. So it means that 1 out of 4 times she will get a 5. Now, if she spins it again, nothing's changed with the spinner. It still has the same bias, so she will have exactly the same chance of getting the second 5. So the probability of 2 times 5 will be equal to a quarter multiplied by a quarter, which is equal to a 16th. And that's your answer. So part B, we've got someone else spinning the spinner now. He's going to spin it a large number of times. But we need to know the probability, before he spins it a large number of times, we need to know the probability of him getting 1. The probability of 1, again exactly the same as part A, will be 6 over 40, which if we cancel it down is 3 over 20. Well, to find 3 over 20 as a percentage, we need to make the bottom line 100. What number multiplying by 20 makes 100? Well, it's 5. And we must multiply by 5 over 5. So the fraction works out the same as 15 over 100. The probability of 1 is 15%. And that's the answer.